welcome back to my channel again. And today, it's actually the same day, but we're going over the CPU. Intel Core i7 processor right there. And there it is. And they give you a giant box, but you know, the processor is small, but I believe it includes you know, a heatsink, air-cooled heatsink, which is a good thing because you know, I don't have my case yet, so or my radiator, which is why I need to hook this baby up to overclock it. So we're not going to be doing any overclocking right away, but so there it is. It does include the heatsink. Even sometimes when they don't, the box is still pretty big. Alright, and that's menu. Yeah, this guide over here teaches how to build one from scratch, like a DIY version of a CPU. No, just kidding. Good luck with that though, you know, if you guys wanted to do that. I'm not saying it's impossible, it's not. I mean, Steve Jobs did it, right? I mean, him and Wozniak, so I'm not sure if they bought the chip or if they built them. So this is our air-cooled heatsink, and that's where it sits in the CPU right there. Actually, don't like the looks of it. It looks like sort of a, I don't know, almost like quadcopter type of thing, but uglier. And I shouldn't put my finger in that. I guess they you know, set some this thing over here in the thermal paste, but I got some anyways because I'm gonna need it for the radiator. But you know, the Arctic Silver high density thermal compound. I guess they, you know, put some in there and I stuck my finger all over it. So that's the radiator. The chip itself is right here in the side, and of course they're gonna make it hard to get to it, which is, try that out, and there it is. That's our, I want to drop it. That's your sexy baby right here. So welcome home, friend. You're gonna be doing a lot of work. And by the way, thanks for the hours and hours of entertainment you're gonna provide. This is the brains of the whole operation here. So, you know, that's what enables you to do pretty much everything. Well, kind of. So that's it. Not much to see here. It's a, you know, very small. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and you know, tune in next time, and you know, look below over there. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I think it's gonna be up there. And you know, have a good day. Enjoy life. Take it easy. Bye.